Hi, I'm Chelsi Stratton from Chelsi Stratton Designs, and it is week 6 of the Home for the Holidays Sampler Quilt Along. And block 6 is a block from my Amaryllis quilt in the book. It is pieced a little bit differently, so we're going to talk a lot more about that. But I am excited because the next few videos are all blocks from my quilts from the book, so you will be seeing a little bit more of me. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at today's block. Okay, so the next block I am going to share with you is my Amaryllis quilt block. Now, this one is a little bit different. So in the book, you'll notice that you kind of arrange the block a little bit differently because there's sashing in between, but we're just taking the 4 sections from in the book and sewing them together just a little bit different way. So and then also I did this nice green border because we wanted the block to be the same size as the other blocks. So that's a lot of fun. And I love how this one turned out. I did a red star in the center surrounded by green and this pink and red low volume. Now let me show you the back. This one is a lot of different pieces. You'll notice you're just sewing it in 9 patches together. And I didn't press anything open in this. You can if you want, but I didn't. I still think the block lays fairly flat. And I think if you press really good, then you're not going to have any issues with a lot of bulk for this one. This block obviously has a lot more pieces. So I really like this block, and just a little bit different way of construction because we wanted to show the block like this. It's designed a little bit differently in the book, but Amaryllis, it's one of my favorite quilts in the Home for the Holidays book. All right, so now that we have seen the Amaryllis block just pieced, we get to take a look at it quilted, which is very exciting. My quilter did a wonderful job overall on this quilt. So this is Amaryllis in the block, actually in the quilt. It's so pretty, I love it. And like I talked about before, there were a couple additional fabrics needed for this that you'll be able to find in the PDF for this one. So the Amaryllis block, I did obviously mine in reds, greens, and pinks from our Emma collection. I'm really glad that I went with that colorway in this quilt, but I also love Mom's that she used a bunch of different fabrics from our Emma collection in hers. So we are going to, now that we've looked at mine quilted, we're going to take a look at my Mom's Amaryllis block. Okay, so here is Mom's Amaryllis block, and she did the most awesome custom quilting on this. I love because this block needed an added border around it. She did really, really cool. She had our quilter Val do some really, really cool cornerstone designs and a different design in these sections of the border, which I thought was really cool. So cute that she had that done in her block. And obviously she used many different fabrics in her Amaryllis block for her quilt. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed today's video where we took a closer look at the Amaryllis block. It's block 6. And the PDF will be linked below in the description for this week's block, as well as a link to buy the Home for the Holidays book. So if you liked this video, hit the like button, and if you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe. And thanks so much for stopping by.